Hi, my name is Martin. This video is about me showing you how I've built a little code that runs our metal assemblies and translate those metal assemblies for very quick access to our CNC department. So over here I've got an assembly of three components. That's all three of them are sheet metal components, and that's been specified based on the parameters. So if I go into these components, we have specific functionality that we run to add in overall dimensions on this. Also, we specified, and that actually automatically picks up and see that this is a sheet metal component. That then translates into an assembly, and now I want to say, okay, cool, this assembly, I want to get this made. What do I do next? So I created this little program that I called Ninja. And what Ninja allows us to do is run a laser. So we've got a few other functionality we also run. This analyzes the model in CREO for any components that would be able to use in laser. And it's got two outputs, as you'll see in a second. There we go. On the one side over here, I've got jig elements, and the reason why we've got those jig elements, and what I can actually do is just select that component and it will open it up in CREO, just to show you that functionality. That jig component is here because of that brick radius. Now, when I extracted the information out of the 3D model on here, that actually showed that this one has got big radiuses, and that big radius is then showing up onto my list in Ninja. Now, Ninja is just the basic laser local host that we run when we start up CREO. I've got a separate video explaining how we start up CREO and what we do there. You can see on these little sides over here, we've got a component that we can reach out in terms of DXF. So I'm going to just send this over to our prototyping department. I'm going to press on the laser, and I just quickly want to show you what happens in CREO when this runs. So CREO now gets instructed by Ninja to open up those profiles and save them as a flat view. Now, those flat views have been pre-configured in an automated process that I've set up specifically for sheet metal components. And this is completely automated. So we run this and it sends the command to CREO, saves those files as DXF files. And once it's done, it sends those file DXF files to our server. Now, the server, we have another program that runs that pick those profiles up, analyze them for laser cutting, make sure that all the information on there is actually what is correct by the engineer. And then that will inform the CNC department that those DXF profiles are ready for production. And they see that through a sequence of events that we basically communicate to them on Trello. So the engineer would publish this, and on Trello it gets picked up. We have a few automated documents that we also generate, send through a whole lot of bill of materials information. That information gets through to our procurement department that then picks up on the bill of materials for those components, and we get back to assembly. And I'll show you in another video the work that I've done to automate that processes. If you have any questions or would like to reach out to me, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or just leave a comment in the video below. Thank you. I hope you have a great day.